Hi children, last class we studied what is photosynthesis, right? What is photosynthesis? It is the process of making food by plants. By using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight in presence of chlorophyll. As a result of that, carbohydrate or food along with oxygen will be produced. Oxygen will be released out and the food will be utilized by the plant for doing various activities. Today, we are going to see this process in little more deep. Photosynthesis occurs in leaf. All the raw material required for photosynthesis should reach in the leaf. How it is happening? In the case of plants, water and minerals is absorbed by the root. Root will absorb water and mineral and transport it to the leaf for doing photosynthesis. It is transported through the pipes or channels which is present in the plant body. In the plant body, there are so many small tubes or pipes which can transport water and mineral from one part to another. Now, carbon dioxide will be absorbed from the air through stomata, the small pores present on the surface of the leaf. The stomata is surrounded by guard cells. We know that guards are the person who is protecting others. Similarly, the two guard cells will protect this pore. Now, it needs sunlight and chlorophyll for undergoing photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is already present in the leaf and it is the green pigment present in leaf. This chlorophyll will help to absorb sunlight. We can say that sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. And sunlight is available. That sunlight will be taken by the leaf for doing the photosynthesis. As a result of that, food plus oxygen will be produced. Oxygen will be released out through the stomata and the food will be utilized by the plant. Do you know what happened when this plant produced more and more food? The excess of food produced will be stored in the plant itself in the form of fruits. Now we can represent the process of photosynthesis in this way. Carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give carbohydrate or food plus oxygen. Once again, carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate or food plus oxygen. The carbohydrate ultimately converted into starch in plants. excess of food produced will be converted into starch. It is another carbohydrate. The presence of starch in leaves indicate the occurrence of photosynthesis. If we are able to prove starch is present in the leaf, it indicates that that leaf is doing photosynthesis. Do you remember how you done the test for starch in the last year? You may test the various food items for understanding whether starch is present or not. We know that tapioca is a good source of starch. The excess of food produced by that plant is stored in the root, which result in the formation of the fruit called tapioca. So, when we test this type of food items, we are able to prove whether it contains starch or not by using iodine test. Test for starch is done by using iodine test. What is this iodine test? If we pour iodine solution into the food material containing starch, the color of the food material will changes into blue-black. If the food become blue-black in color, it indicates the presence of iodine in it. Now, in this case, we want to prove whether the leaf is undergoing photosynthesis or not. If it is doing photosynthesis, starch will be produced there. If it is not undergoing photosynthesis, there will be no starch. It will not answer iodine test. So in order to do this experiment, we can take two plants. Keep one plant in dark room and another one in the area where sufficient sunlight is obtained. Keep these plants there for 3 to 4 days. After that, take one leaf from each plant, boil it in alcohol so that green color of the leaf disappears. It will become colorless. Take it out, pour few drops of iodine solution into it. If the leaf changes its color to blue-black, it indicates that the leaf done photosynthesis.